Come on, man.
Playing video games just doesn't cut it.
Need to try something new.
Try getting out and riding your bike.
Oh, wait. I don't know how to ride. This is hard. Oh, wait.
Learn how to ride a bike today? What? All by yourself?
Hey, high five.
Today's all about learning to ride. What's what Hammy and Hamster on his bike today?
There's 4 levels to learning how to ride a bike at Little Hammies, okay? Level 1, we need everyone on their bike and we'll be in level 1. Hop on your bike.
Me? Okay.
Yeah. All right, level 1, we're not even gonna be rolling. Level 1 is easy peasy. Okay, level 1, we're gonna pick our feet up and just feel that. Whoa, our bike doesn't even have training wheels anymore. Wiggle your handlebars. Let me see everybody,
Yeah,
wiggle your
like
handlebars.
this. I got it, I'm doing it.
Nice. Okay. All right, but we're gonna need to pedal our bike today, right? But where's our pedals?
I don't know, where are they?
Okay. Whenever you're getting 100 points, then you get your pedals back. How do you get 100 points? You gotta glide for 100 seconds. That's in level 2, but right now we're worried about level 1. So, level 1, let's get a couple more points. I wanna see everybody's feet up. Everyone's feet up. Look at me, push hard. Yep. All right, you were falling that way.
Level 2, push, push, glide.
Push hard, push, push. Whoa, whoa, sorry. You're all right. Go. All right.
Push, push, glide. This is hard.
Just be at your best. Feet up more minutes.
Oh my God! Okay, don't be a superstar.
When you're learning to ride a bike, it's okay to fall down as long as you get back up.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 seconds. Forward, push forward with this leg. Okay.
Now let's move to level 3. Push, push, pedal.
Yes, spin. Look at you using the brakes. I'm gonna spin you around. You ready?
Yeah.
Look at that big tree. Push hard and go to that tree. Push, push, pedal. Eyes up. Eyes up. There you go. Pedal. There you go, Dylan. Pedal.
It's one armor. Eyes up, pedals up.
I'll be down there to catch you. You ready? Push.
Okay.
Nope, nope.
Oh,
Push, push, push. All right, pedal, pedal.
I'm doing it.
Push me down.
Yes, 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 yes!
Now I'm really doing it. Yay!
Good job.
A 7? No, you got 100, dude.
Put your pedals back.
High five! Yeah, it was.
Good job.
Sweet. So it was push, push, glide, right? So we still gotta push. We still gotta push our bikes. What? So, let's hop off our bike like Forrest here. Yep, stay off your bike. Close your eyes. and imagine a soccer ball right in front of your feet. All right. Close your eyes and kick a soccer ball. Everyone's right-footed. Yeah, you're doing it. Now you do it all by yourself. Eyes up.
Running forward.
There you go, this way. Okay, push down. Ready, Dylan, we gotta keep our feet on the ground. Watch. Push, look how hard I'm pushing. I'm gliding, then I can pedal. Yeah, there you go, eyes up. Pedal. Whoop.
You did it.
Yeah, Forrest, eyes up, look where you're going. Eyes up too. Where's your brakes, Forrest? Where's your brakes when you need them? You know where you're, yeah! You got 100 points, Jack. Let's go up here. Push, pedal now. Push, eyes up. Push harder, keep pushing. There you go. Pedal hard, got you. Pedal. There you go.
Hey Elijah, what did you learn today?
I learned how to glide, but that's basically all I learned.
Oh,
That's all you learned?
I know. Come on.
Let's see what you got.
There's only one more thing I need to learn, which is like how to start. I know how to start.
Yeah.
I can't start by myself.
Now you up.
Peace.
Keep pedaling.
That was pretty close. Can you do it?
Whee! That was a good day of riding my bike. Time for a rocket apple to end the day. I'm ready for the next adventure on my bike.